And our team coverage continues now with Next Weather Chief Meteorologist and Hurricane Specialist Ivan Cabrera. Ivan, we got that 11 p.m. advisory. We're hearing about all those possible people possibly in harm's way. What's the message tonight?
Well, yeah, I-4 is going to be a busy road eastbound here, heading up likely to Orlando or points to the north, right? We are talking about a 105-mile-an-hour storm. This is still a Category 2. I'm expecting this to ramp up to a Category 4, which is why, well, you would have to take it even more seriously than a 2, right? I mean, this is going to be a major event. But I want to talk a little bit about Tampa. A lot of us have loved ones there. I'll get back to our picture here and what we have as far as our local warnings. 140-mile-an-hour winds. There's a Cat 4. There it is now on Wednesday morning, just to the west of the peninsula here, with 130-mile-an-hour winds already pushing water towards Tampa Bay. The exact track is going to be key here because, again, because of the flow of the storm here, if you have a track that takes it further to the north, essentially here, we're going to be in deeper trouble as that water begins to push in. A track further south, the wind is coming in the reverse. But this is the latest on the National Hurricane Center, and a lot of the models are putting this into Tampa Bay as a major hurricane here by Wednesday evening. Let me show you what's going to happen as far as the potential track here. This is just one of our models here. I'll run it up and you'll be able to see, and I'll talk about our rain bands shortly here, but there is the center. Watch what happens here as I continue to put this in motion. It's basically kind of just stalling here. You see that? It doesn't move, and then perhaps once that happens, it's very tricky because then it could jog north or south and landfall. That is not the point where it's going to be. It could be a little further to the north or further to the south, and then the storm continues headed up to the north and east. I know this looks like Charlie, but the difference is this is going to be a bigger storm, a more widespread event here for the entire peninsula for the most part. All right, so 11 p.m. advisory, already seeing those outer bands. We've been talking about that with flood advisories that have been on and off here, and that's going to continue. The forecast, I won't give you an hour by hour for tomorrow. It's just band after band that's going to be coming through, so just keep that in mind. That is the heavy rain that contains, at times, 35, 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Key West is dealing with that. The Keys as well. We had that big batch of rain that moved through. This is a heavy band of rain, and now it's beginning to subside a little bit. But again, more where that came from, obviously, until that circulation passes to our north, and that's going to take a couple of days. So flood advisory still till 12:15. All of us under a flood watch, as you can imagine, with the heavy rain that's going to be on the way. These are the watches as far as, and warnings as far as the storm. Tropical storm warning still for Key West to the 7 Mile Bridge. We have that hurricane warning for the Dry Tortugas, and then Marathon points to the east. We have a tropical storm watch with conditions that are not as significant because obviously we're further away from the center. Surge is going to be 2 to 4 feet, and again, this includes at the time of high tides. This includes the king tides here, and I know we say minor here. If water's coming up to your storefront, it's not minor, but compared to what we could see here with an onshore flow, this is going to be a minor event as far as coastal conditions across Miami and Miami-Dade and into Broward. But look at the numbers here: 55, 60-mile-an-hour winds Wednesday 2 a.m. So tomorrow night we're getting in the thick of it here as far as tropical storm conditions. And then the system begins to pull away by Wednesday night, and I think we're done as we head into Thursday. But watch the rain bands still coming through. Get a break, get another one here through the morning, a little bit of a break, more rain coming in. I mean, this is just going to be on and on until this pinwheel continues to move to our north here, and that won't happen until this storm behind me here, there's the center, finally gets, gains enough latitude to leave us alone as far as those rain bands here, but still going to be gusty winds as we head into Thursday. So recapping it for you, tropical storm conditions, 40 to 70-mile-an-hour winds. That is a possibility with the gusts lower to middle Keys, 4 to 8 inches and a 2 to 4 foot storm surge. And then for Miami-Dade and Broward, we're looking at heavy rain. The winds will not be as strong, but still looking at significant amounts of rain. So alert days through the next 3. By Friday, things improving, and certainly by the time we get into the weekend. We'll be right back.